Welcome back to the channel. I'm Tequila B with TruLuv Designs. If you haven't subscribed, hopefully by the end of the video, you'll consider subscribing. Today I'm gonna do a little Friday sews for you. I haven't done one in a very long time. I think I've only done one, but I had not really an epiphany, but I kind of felt like a Friday sews would keep me accountable for the projects that I want to work on and will keep me focused on the projects that I say I'm going to make. I've kind of lost my sojo, so the projects that I was working on, I'm going to sit those to the side and work on some things that I really want to work on. Not only did I lose my sojo, my machine started tripping on me, so that really put me out of the mood for sewing because it took me so long to figure out what was wrong with it and how to get it back on track. But now that I have that sorted out, I want to do a Friday sews just so I can keep myself accountable for the things that I say I'm going to sew. So for this week, I'm only setting a goal to complete 2 projects, and that's because they're simple and I can knock those out and hopefully get my sojo back. So the first project that I want to do is going to be a pencil skirt, and I have this fabric here that I purchased from Walmart May of last year. I really like this print and the color, and when I saw it I knew I wanted to make a pencil skirt out of that, and I haven't deviated from that. So this will be the first thing that I will make. It will be using a self-drafted pattern, which is basically just 2 triangles. So this will be pretty quick and easy for me. The second project that I'm going to work on will be a Mimi G style pattern by Simplicity, and it is Simplicity 8915. It is a pretty summer dress, I'll say, and the version that I'm going to make of this dress is the one in blue. I really think that would flatter my figure and would also be an easy project to help me get my sojo back. And the fabric that I'm going to use for this project is this pink fabric with red and kind of a light red or burgundy and red flowers, white and gray. It's just really pretty to me. I've never been a huge prints person. I can do bigger prints. I like the bigger prints more than I do the very tiny small prints. So to get into some prints, I think this would be a good one. And I purchased this fabric from a fabric store in Dallas. It is called Fabrictopia. Now that store, I really like it because they have a good variety of fabrics. It's not a huge warehouse, but it is big enough you can find a variety of fabrics there, and they're pretty reasonably priced. The only thing I don't like about it is that you don't really know the content of the fabric that you're getting. Now on the end of the shelves it will say like polyester or fleece or denim or mesh, but it really doesn't tell you what the full content of the fabric is. But this is kind of silky and it has great stretch and recovery. Let's see if that's a 4-way. Yep, that's a 4-way stretch. And when I saw this, I just knew this would be a good way for me to merge over into prints. So I'll definitely be using this fabric. Now I haven't had this one quite as long, maybe a couple months or so, but that will be the second project, and hopefully I'll get my sojo back after those. But I will update you on my makes. I will wear them, I will fashion them, I will show them to you. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel and that you've hit that notification bell so that you'll know when that video is posted. Until next time, I'll see you then.